Anyone who'd like to make it big on YouTube has got to put in the work. But sometimes, to become successful, just making loads of content isn't enough. Some may be lucky enough to have the algorithm pick up their videos from the start, but for most new channels, promotion will be the key to getting your channel the recognition it deserves. Here are some tips and tricks on how to promote your videos today. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 8. Make use of keywords in your videos. Optimizing your videos for visibility is a sure way to get your content more recognition. The way to do that is to use YouTube SEO keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and throughout your video. What this does is increase the likelihood of your video showing up on the search results page once someone types in something in the YouTube search engine relating to the topic of your videos. If your video is one of the first to show up when someone does a search, then it's guaranteed that you'll be getting more views quickly. To find keywords relating to your channel niche and video topics, you can use tools like keywordtool.io, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy. Once you have these words, go ahead and include them wherever you can to gain more visibility. Just try not to overdo it too much. Be smart with how you use these words. Number 7. Utilize Facebook groups. Over the years, Facebook's feature to create groups where different profiles and pages can join to share posts relating to the main idea of said group has become a massive tool for creators across dozens of platforms to promote themselves. All you have to do is use your Facebook profile to join a group relating to the niche of your YouTube channel and share your videos there. But be careful. It's important to try not to spam these groups with content from your channel, otherwise you may get banned. After all, no one likes to have something constantly pushed into their face. It'd feel like you're forcing them to engage with your content. Instead, look for a post within the group that's relevant to a video you may have on the same topic and share your video in the comments, especially if that post asks for engagement. For example, if your channel is about eating healthy and you join a Facebook group where people ask for tips on what to eat to maintain a healthy lifestyle, you can go ahead and share your videos in the comments once they're about exactly that. You may even gain fans if you do this right, so try it out. Number 6. Collaborate with other creators. Making your presence known in the YouTube community is integral to becoming a successful YouTuber. Being close to creators who produce content close to your niche can open up many opportunities. Collaborations is just one of them. It'd probably be difficult to work with really big YouTubers in your niche, so try to connect with people who are just starting out, or creators whose channels are rising on the YouTube ranks already. Don't be afraid to reach out and organize collabs with all sorts of creators, as this can be great exposure for your channel and even theirs. If you produce a video with another channel, then their viewers will be introduced to you while yours will become aware of them simultaneously. In some cases, creators become inspired by others. The YouTubers you reach out to will likely watch a few of your videos to become more acquainted with you, and in doing so, not only will you be gaining more views, but you just may inspire them. Often, when this happens and they create a video inspired by one of yours, they'll give a shout out so their subscribers can know where they got the idea from. This can be very beneficial to your channel's exposure, so don't be shy. Say hi to the creators in your niche. Number 5. Promote via Instagram. Having an Instagram is the perfect way to promote anything you're into, so this one is a given. If you have an Instagram account, it'd be smart to add the link to your YouTube channel in your bio if you haven't already. That way, when you post pictures relating to what you like to discuss in your videos, people can find your channel easily on your page. The main way that you can gain new viewers through IG would be to add hashtags relevant to your channel niche on all of your Instagram posts. When people search for these hashtags, your post will appear in the results, and if they're interested, they'll go to your page for more and find the link to your YouTube on your profile. Using Instagram hashtags can be incredibly useful in growing your channel, so go ahead and go crazy on your Instagram page to gain that recognition. And if you don't have an Instagram, make one. Number 4. Utilize TikTok to gain traffic. Another popular social media site you can use for promotion is TikTok. Promoting on TikTok would be the smartest thing to do, since the app has grown ridiculously popular among people of all ages in quite a short space of time since its release. TikTok already has 1 billion users and is growing in popularity every single day. The content posted on this platform can be of any genre, and it's pretty easy to gain views once you use popular sounds and follow the many trends that the TikTok community creates ever so often. Many YouTubers are expanding their audience by posting short clips of their videos on TikTok daily for the TikTok community's viewing. TikTok makes it easy to link your YouTube channel on your profile, so if people see your clips and like them, chances are they'll be going to your main page for more, and will be glad to follow the link to your YouTube. Be very clear that you're also on YouTube in your video captions and your TikTok bio. Using hashtags can be great on TikTok as well. Number 3. Join group chats. This method also uses Instagram, but through the group chat feature rather than ordinary posts. If you have close friends or just regular people that you follow, then you can create a chat to share videos with these people every time you post. If you're already in group chats, then asking the members of the chat to watch your videos now and then would be a massive help as well. Having mutuals on Instagram who are interested in the exact content that you post videos about on YouTube would be the ideal situation. You can create a chat with these mutuals and post your videos without a doubt that at least a few people would watch it and hopefully share what they see. Always encourage whoever you send your videos to share your content, since the more people you reach means the more views you'll get along with more potential subscribers if people like what they see. So, don't be afraid to ask the people you know to watch and share your videos. It can be extremely helpful if your content reaches the right people through this means. Just try not to get involved in inorganic traffic like subscriber exchanges and view exchanges with other YouTubers. The goal is to get your videos seen by people who will be genuinely interested in what you're putting out. Number 2. Use Google Ads. Getting Google to put out ads about your YouTube channel can be extremely helpful in reaching a large number of potential subscribers and viewers. The thing about this method is that you'd have to pay Google for advertising, but it can really pay off since Google Ads can pop up in a variety of different places for web users to see. Just like how an ad for Grammarly can appear before a YouTube video, an ad for your channel can pop up in the same place. Out of all methods discussed, this is probably the best way to reach a large number of people quickly, so if you're interested in using this tool, go ahead. Others have said that it's been quite helpful in growing their channel, so clearly, it's worth at least one shot. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1. Make great content so YouTube will do the promotion for you. YouTube pushes videos with high watch retention, plenty of clicks, and basically content that they think their viewers will enjoy. So it's always good to ensure that what you put out is engaging, interesting, and entertaining enough for people to want to watch all the way to the end and even watch again. All of the sharing through other social media sites would be pointless if the people you're sharing with aren't genuinely interested in what you're putting out. If you're making videos and sharing them and still not getting more viewers, then it would be wise to ask for some feedback from the people you've shared your content with already. Ask them what you can do to improve, how you can keep people watching and wanting more. If you have a few regular commenters, then ask them what they liked about your video so you can do more of that. Just keep trying to do better so more people would want to follow you and engage with what you put out. Once your channel starts growing after you've made adjustments and put your best foot forward in every video, YouTube will naturally add your stuff to recommended pages and their homepage. Improving your video making skills is something you'd have to do while promoting. As long as you're open to feedback and willing to do better, then you'll see great results quickly. Adding an intriguing thumbnail to your videos and showing off your personality are just a few ways of gravitating viewers to your content naturally. As stated before, this will force YouTube to push your videos to others, and before you know it, you won't have to do the promotion yourself as much. Make sure to check out the next video to learn how to get 100 subscribers a day. See you there.